There's a basic change that Revain desires to achieve. It is the world's most memorable unprejudiced criticism stage in a significant manner. What separates itself from every other person in the crypto market is that it by and large is the main stage in view of blockchain innovation, basically making it decentralized, empowering it to be impartial on all fronts. How about we especially take a gander at what Revain is and what it desires to achieve as far as Revain cost expectation for the impending years, which is very huge. Today, an organization's standing depends predominantly on client surveys, and this criticism helps other people pursue the ideal choices while managing any administrations in opposition to mainstream thinking. Many organizations oversee other organizations' notoriety, and the people who oversee surveys for other organizations' administrations can change client audits or erase them. The Momentum research shows that between 20 to 60% of all web-based audits are really phony. One genuinely sure survey carries 4 new clients to a business, while one negative survey dissuades 11 clients in a really significant manner. This brings the issue of survey predisposition, where organizations overseeing audits for different organizations may really be undermined by removing attaches with them, basically bringing about a deficiency of income for organizations. Or so they thought. Revain has constructed a blockchain-based design where surveys can't explicitly be changed or erased. Clients especially are limited to 5 audits each day. This guarantees that the chance of organizations attempting to change their positive audits or make negative surveys for contenders doesn't occur, as it isn't successful while managing mass enlistments of clients. This channels each phony survey empowers organizations to especially get unprejudiced audits while maintaining their business, and recoveries them from overspending to make a positive brand picture utilizing showcasing strategies. Genuine purchasers who compose surveys generally get benefits. Each survey on Revain goes through a 2-step confirmation process. One purpose is man-made consciousness, and different purpose is the manual technique. Negative audits can be available to debate, which for the most part is available to the in every way that really matters, public. The audits are hashed and put away in the blockchain, ensuring validness and coherence. Revain can be utilized in pretty much every business case, whether web-based business, FMCG, booking, or gaming. Revain Major Investigation. Revain digital currency basically means to organize and compensate client criticism on items and administrations utilizing blockchain as its center innovation. The actual business really holds a lot of potential, yet it is challenging to foresee the symbolic future at the ongoing business sector costs of the FireUp token. Revain offers 2 local digital currencies that are intended to inspire its clients to compose certifiable criticism. The RVN is a dollar-fixed genuinely stable coin used to compensate and punish purchasers and organizations in the survey cycle. The FireUp is a utility token utilized by organizations to basically energize surveys and give a vehicle to clients to pull out RVN tokens to crypto trades. Given that before very long, on the off chance that development is seen in the use of the Revain stage as a survey accounting for organizations and administration, the probability of Revain as a business will be perfect in an especially significant manner. Yet, the equivalent can't be said for the FireUp token in an unobtrusive manner. There is substantially a lot of that it is as yet challenging to foresee where the symbolic cost of Revain in a real sense is going. It will be savvy to watch the digital money market changes and conclude whether the FireUp symbolic will be great as an exchanging resource. The especially current cost of the FireUp tokens isn't unreasonably amazing, or so they especially thought, with numerous experts anticipating that the advanced coins are inadmissible for momentary hold. Most feeling pointers in every practical sense propose selling the FireUp coins at the in every way that really matters, current cost. Be that as it may, nobody can in every practical sense fault the experts for thinking, so it is a decent choice for brokers to take part in the ongoing economic situation. There in every practical sense isn't sufficient premium in the ongoing economic situation to legitimize taking a long position. The ongoing cost is somewhat steady, and Bollinger Groups are crushing, and subsequently, the unpredictability sort of has now balanced out at the ongoing cost levels. The RSI is under the oversold zone, however it could recuperate soon. The Revain stage, albeit progressive, explicitly is still new, and the stage isn't as famous in the ongoing economic situation, till it turns into a piece of huge enterprises. There isn't an adequate number of media inclusion to help its market presence. This is definitely not a decent sign. Yet, on the off chance that this happens right away, it would be a phenomenal marker for financial backers to go bullish on Revain USD cost. We foresee future qualities with specialized examination for a wide choice of computerized coins like Revain. On the off chance that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, FireUp can commonly be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice, which explicitly is very critical. As per the Revain cost gauge, the very most extreme worth of Revain cost is supposed to reach $0 the current year's over in a significant manner. According to the Fire Up cost expectation, the cost of Revain is supposed to hit 0.00895 before the current year's over. In light of Revain cost expectations, Revain cost will especially be truly worth 2 cents toward the finish of 2022. The Fire Up cost gauge depends on verifiable information joined with prescient information demonstrating calculations. Very note that this forecast ought to just be deciphered as an idea. Foreseeing the costs of anything entirely amazingly is inconceivable. Be that as it may, here is our information. Additionally, these are simply Revain cost forecasts and could shift as indicated by different elements. The cost of Revain Fire Up arrived at an essentially normal exchanging cost of 2 cents somewhat recently. The Fire Up greatest and least cost levels were 1 cent and 2 cents individually. Revain Value Forecast 2022, or so they sort of thought. According to the Revain conjecture and our own examination, the cost of Revain is anticipated to arrive at least value worth of $0. The Revain cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, and the typical cost all through the year will explicitly be around $0. Revain Value Expectation 2023. The cost of Revain Fire Up conjectures to arrive at the very least cost of $0, with a really greatest cost of $0 the year 2023, which is genuinely huge. The typical exchanging cost all through the year is supposed to for the most part be close to $0. Revain Value Forecast 2024. According to the information forecast models and specialized investigation, the essentially least value level of Revain Fire Up will be $0. In every way that really matters, most extreme cost will be $0, with a typical exchanging cost of around $0 through 2024. Revain Value Forecast 2025. As indicated by the specialized examination and cost expectations for the year 2025, the base cost of Revain Fire Up will be $0, and the most extreme value level will be $0. The typical cost will be $0 2025, which truly is genuinely huge. Revain Fire Up Value Forecast 2026. In view of the Revain estimate and specialized examination, it is anticipated that the base cost of Revain explicitly is supposed to be $0, and the most extreme cost will basically be $0, keeping up with the typical cost of $0 2026. Is Fire Up coin a wise speculation? The ongoing circumstances in every practical sense don't give an obvious sign of that. The actual business fundamentally has an incredible in every way that really matters potential to be a productive speculation vehicle. However, measuring the fate of the Fire Up token is difficult. It is encouraged to the financial backers to generally keep refreshed with the advancements that are happening in the group. The circumstances could happen later on that have an impact on the manner in which it works and make it a wise venture vehicle to purchase Revain or for the most part sell Revain with a decent return. Will Revain cost go up? According to the cost forecasts, it is expected that the cost of Revain digital currency will reach $0 a year's time and move to $0 the following 5 years, which is very critical. Subsequently, the fate of Revain is genuinely brilliant according to our Revain crypto cost forecast. Will Revain coin reach $1 amazingly? In light of the new cost fall and our cost estimate, Fire